OSCR Stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this brief and short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. In overviewing, Oscar Health, it just had this little correction phase with a 13% increase in price. Overall, like, I've done over 42,000 videos over 5 years, so I've seen what's actually printing me money and what's not. And with this sort of correction phase on Friday, all I'm looking to do is, heavens forbid we don't see just a little gap up. I want to see like a little double break, and only then I'm looking to take it further up. If not, really, I'm not buying. Like, actually, I do want it to happen, right? Heavens forbid it pumps up. But honestly speaking, like, if I do not see the confirmation, then I'm not getting involved, really not trading or really anything. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, then just click the first link in the description, get my free emails and insights. And I do have some previous receipts in the Discord here as well. Goodbye and enjoy.